In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on the Redbubble app and set up your artist profile. Redbubble is a fantastic platform for independent artists to sell their designs and artwork on a wide range of products, from t-shirts and stickers to home decor and much more. Whether you're a seasoned artist looking for a new venue to share your creations, or you're just starting out and want to explore how to monetize your artwork, Redbubble offers an accessible and user-friendly way to reach a global audience. The first step in your Redbubble journey is to navigate to the Redbubble website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the homepage of one of the most vibrant communities of independent artists. Here, creativity is the currency, and every click brings you closer to finding or showcasing art that is genuinely unique. Now, to get started with selling your art, you'll need to sign up for an account. Look for the sign up button on the home page. It's your gateway to becoming a part of the Redbubble artist community. Once you find the button, give it a click. Next, you will notice there are different options for signing up. To position yourself as a creator, you'll want to focus on the artist sign up. This option is specifically tailored for individuals like you who are eager to display and sell their artwork on the multitude of products offered by Redbubble. Once you've clicked on Artist Sign Up, you're ready to begin the creation of your artist account. Here you'll be prompted to fill in some basic information, starting with your email. Type in your email carefully, ensuring it's one you have access to, and check regularly. This will be crucial for receiving updates, notifications, and communication from Redbubble. The next step involves choosing a shop name. This name will serve as a unique identifier for your store on Redbubble, so make it memorable and relevant to your brand or the type of art you create. Keep in mind, this name will be visible to customers, so consider what might catch their attention or speak to the essence of your artwork. After selecting your shop name, you will be asked to create a password. Make sure your password is secure, incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your account. Your password is the key to your Redbubble shop, so it's essential to choose one that is both strong and memorable. With those details filled out, it's time to officially sign up and create your account. Click the sign up button to proceed. Congratulations, you've now taken your first step into the Redbubble universe as an artist. The next immediate step is to personalize your profile, beginning with adding a profile picture. A profile picture is more than just an image. It's a reflection of your artistic identity. It can be a logo, a piece of your artwork, or even a photo of yourself. This image will appear alongside your shop name and works to help customers recognize your brand. To upload your profile picture, navigate to the dashboard of your new Redbubble account and click on Add a Profile Picture. You'll then need to choose a file from your computer or device. Select the image you wish to use as your profile picture and make sure it accurately represents you or your brand. It's also vital that the image is clear and well cropped to fit the designated space nicely. After choosing the file, the final step in this process is to upload the image. Click on Upload to finalize and set your new profile picture. With this action, you've begun to mold your Redbubble identity, making your artist profile more personal and accessible to potential buyers. And there you have it. You've successfully created your account on Redbubble, set up your artist profile, and are now ready to start uploading and selling your artwork. Remember, this platform is not only about sales, it's about being part of a community that celebrates creativity and self-expression. Take your time to explore, get inspired, and connect with other artists. Your Redbubble journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here's to your success on Redbubble, and may your art find homes across the globe.